ElevenLabs voice changer tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to take you through ElevenLabs and how you can change your voice on ElevenLabs. As you all know that ElevenLabs is one of the best AI voice generator, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to change your voice. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Google Chrome. You can use any browser that you have, it doesn't matter. So you'll go to search and search for ElevenLabs. Then you will scroll down a little bit and you will see this is the official website, ElevenLabs.io. so click on that link. Then it will land you to this interface. So if you have not signed up for ElevenLabs, you can use the link in the description box and it will bring you to this interface. So you will need to sign up if you do not have an account already. But if you have an account, you are just going to click on login. But before we go to login, I'm going to take you through the pricing so that you can understand what you are signing up for. So if you come to the pricing, we have different plans here. We have for free, which is $0, and for this $0, this is the thing that we are going to expect. We have text to speech, speech to text, music, agents, studio, automated dubbing, AI, and then we have starter, which is $5 per month. For starter, you are going to be given 30k credits per month, and then you can use you can use the voice for commercial license, instant voice cloning, 20 projects in studio, dubbing studio, music use in social media, and all this. Then if you want to go for creator, which is $11 per month, you can also see these features that you are going to have access to. So I'm just going to log in. Then I'm going to sign in with Google. So once you have signed in, it is going to bring you to this interface. You will be able to see your profile at the bottom left corner there, and if you click on that drop down arrow, you see that you have been awarded 10,000 credits. So you need to use these credits wisely. So on your left, you are going to see some features here. We have text to speech, we have voice changer. So I'm going to guide you through the voice changer. So just click on voice changer, then it will land you here. So in order to change your voice, you are going to upload the audio which you have recorded, or you can record the audio. So for me, I'm going to upload the audio. I've already have an audio in my computer, so I'll just click on that. So this is the audio that I'm going to use. I'm going to upload it, and I can just play the audio so that you can listen what is in this audio. This video, I'm going to show you how to log in TikTok account in another phone, or rather transfer TikTok account to another phone. So just watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. So as you have heard, that is my voice, and I want to change this voice to a different voice. So if you come on your right here, you are going to see some features. We have remove background noise. You can click on that to remove background noise, and then you can click on that to boost your speaker, or you can also reset by clicking reset values. So having known that, you will come here at the model. I'm going to start with the model. So you just click on this. Then we have two models here. We have English version 2, and then we have 11 multilingual version 2. So for this 11 multilingual version 2, you are going to see we have different languages here. We have German, Hindi, French, Korean, Portuguese, Italian, Spanish, and all these languages. So you can change your voice to these languages. But if you want to use only English, you see you can. It is better for you to select this one, 11 English version 2, because it is specifically designed for English. So I'm going to select this one. Then you will come and see these features here. We have stability. This increases or decreases the stability of your voice. As you can see, increasing stability will make the voice more consistent between regenerations, but it can also make it sound a bit monotone. On longer text fragment, we recommend lowering this value. So you will play with this stability to make your voice sound stable. And then we have similarity. This is eye enhancement, boost overall voice clarity and target speaker similarity. Very high value can cause artifacts, so adjusting these settings to find optimal value is encouraged. So you are going to adjust and listen the similarity which suits your voice. And then we have style exaggeration. So this we see high value are recommended in style of speech should be exaggerated compared to uploaded audio. So you can also adjust this and put it to your preference. And then once you've done that, we are going to go to voice. Just going to click on this, and then you can choose the voice that you want to change your audio to. So you can play these voices and listen to them, and then you can choose the preferred voice. So the ones which are at the top here, this is the one which I recently used, and then these are default. So I'm going to use the ones which are free. So I'll just play this one so that you can listen.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
I'm going to choose this voice here. Then once you have ensured that all things have been set correctly, you can now come here and click on generate speech. So once you click on generate speech, your voice will be changed to the voice of this person here. So I'm going to click on generate speech. So as you can see, the voice has been generated, and we see that it has consumed a lot of credits. So we have these credits remaining, 58.29 credits remaining, and if you click on your profile, you are going to see the credits which remain. So whenever you are using these credits, you need to use them wisely. Or if you would like to upgrade, you can also upgrade when you find this ElevenLabs helpful to you. So once you've done that, I'm going to play this so that you can listen.
Another phone, or rather transfer TikTok account to another phone. So just reach it to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And of course, do not forget to subscribe.
You see that the voice has been changed. And in order to download this, you are just going to click on this download button, or you can come and click this download button here on this side. And you can also change the name of this audio after you have downloaded it. So let me just download it and download with the original name. So as you can see, it has already been downloaded at the top here. So that's really it, guys. That's how you can change your voice on ElevenLabs. And as you can see that this ElevenLabs, it is a little bit cheap. Their subscriptions are a little bit cheap. As you can see here, our starter is only $5 and creator is $11 per month, and pro is $99 per month. And they have a lot of features here. They have text to speech, they have sound effect, they have sound isolator. This you can use to remove background noise on your audio or on your audio. Let me just play this so that you can listen. So you can use this feature to remove your the background noise on your audio. So that's simply it, guys. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.